You could find a more optimistic thought by stepping back into a more general stance and focusing in the direction of your vibrational reality. You could say things to yourself that make you feel better, like hard times always precede boom times. You could make yourself feel better by acknowledging that the way you feel does not need to be tied to the current set of circumstances. You could make yourself feel better by saying, there's a bounce on the other side of my struggle. You could make yourself feel better by stepping back and acknowledging that the sun came up this morning and it wasn't on your to-do list. You could make yourself feel better by acknowledging that this planet is turning in its orbit in perfect proximity and that none of you can do anything about that to dissuade that. In other words, you could focus upon things of well-being. You could change your mood, and you could change your mood right now. Right now. You can't change your money right now. You can't change your body right now. You can't change your relationship right now. You could change your mood right now. You could change your mood right now. You could change your mood right now. You have complete control over the direction of your thoughts. And when you accept that and you begin practicing it and you find out how easy it is, then you'll find out how easy it all is. Because that easy thing that we just told you can do is the only thing you have to do in order for all of that other stuff coming into place that you want to come into place. It is easy. It is easy. It is easy. It's easy. It is easy. It is easy to create your own reality. It is easy to think the thought you choose to think. It is easy to feel better than you feel right now. It is easy to find increasingly better feeling thoughts. It's easy to direct your mind. It's easy because law of attraction keeps making it easy. Just like it's easy to stay in the pessimistic thought, it's easy to stay in a more hopeful thought. And it's easy to stay in a thought of believing and positive expectation. It's easy. Law of attraction makes it easy to stay where you've practiced being. Law of attraction makes it easy to stay right where you expect to be. It's easy to change your expectation. If you can separate your expectation from reality just for a little while. It's easy. It's easy. It's easy. It's easy to think that thought rather than that thought. It is. Do you sit with your remote control and say, I can't push the button? Or do you find it easy? I can choose that or that or that or that or that. It's easy. It's easy. It's easy to change your thought. It's easy to find a good feeling thought. It's easy to feel good. It's just about focus.